Hi, I'm Craig Smith, After Sales Manager for Goldens Honda. I'd like to introduce you to the series of information videos put together by our after sales teams. In them you'll find lots of information regarding the features on your vehicle and some of the services that we offer. Hope you find the information useful. If you've got any comments or suggestions, please contact us on the address below.
Air conditioning has become a standard feature on many modern day cars. It improves passenger comfort and can also have other benefits. However, owners and drivers only just realise that the air conditioning systems do require regular maintenance. Your car's air conditioning will tend to lose refrigerants over time as the gas permeates through the joints and between the system's many components. This of course will affect the system's performance. Worse still, if you leave your air conditioning operating with low refrigerant gas levels, its lubrication circulation may be affected and unwanted air and moisture can enter the system. This can lead to poor fuel economy as the system works harder and more frequently than usual to maintain the desired temperatures of the cabin. The unwanted air and moisture can lead to internal corrosion of components or possible complete failure of the system, and also affect poor screen moisture clearance in cold weather. Goldens Honda are part of the Honda UK National Pricing Scheme and can fully service your air conditioning system for just £65 inclusive of VAT. The full air conditioning service will include a system performance test, a system operation pressure check, dashboard vent temperature checks, and visual inspection of individual components, complete system evacuation, removal of any unwanted air and moisture, system refrigerant replenished to the correct levels, introduction of a system lubricant, and addition of a leak detecting dye additive to the system. The system operation and leak inspections on completion to make sure all is well. This should leave the system operating at its best, just like the day it left the factory.
In addition to your air conditioning service, we can perform a system sanitizer treatment for just £15. Asthma and allergy sufferers can benefit from having the air conditioning system treated and sanitised. The treatment will effectively remove fungus and pollutants that form within the vents and components. This is performed by a controlled release of a microbiology cleaning agent into the vehicle's cabin. The vehicle air conditioning is left running whilst the treatment takes effect to maximise its efficiency. It will also leave a pleasant fragrance within the cabin that can eliminate unwanted odours.
Pollen filters, also known as interior ventilation filters, were designed to remove solid contaminants like dust and soot from the air that circulates inside your vehicle. Pollen filters work by removing nearly 100% of airborne particles like pollen, road dust and soot, and other microscopic particles from the air. Surrounding vehicles can create an exhaust gas tunnel made up of gaseous odours and pollutants that get funnelled right into your vehicle. Unclean air can also lead to allergic reactions. The NHS Direct recommend replacing your pollen filter every 12 months.